In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Discord password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and if you can't remember your Discord password, then first off you should open up settings. Then scroll down until you find passwords. Just tap on that. It will ask you to use your Face ID to get access to your saved passwords on your device. And then in order to find your Discord password, just use search, tap right here, and then type in Discord, and that's where you may find your Discord passwords if you have ever entered it from the device associated with your iCloud account. So I got here 3 different Discord profiles. I can tap at any of them. Here it shows the username and the hidden password. If I want to unhide it, I can just tap at these dots, and that shows me my password. I can hit at copy password to copy it to the clipboard, and then I can paste it on Discord login page. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Discord tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.